Ebuka! 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 Obioso, what is it? Your wife. My wife? Ifunanya, your wife. Calm down! What is wrong with her? Let's go, let's go. What happened to Ifunanya? Let's go, let's go. What happened to Ifunanya? Uju, what's going on? What happened to Ifunanya?
They found her in the forest. They brought her lifeless body home, where she passed out.
Passed out? I don't understand. What was she doing in the forest in the first place? Where's my wife?
She's lying lifeless in the hands of Aigbefoh. He is trying to do all he can just to bring her back to life. Please, let's go. Let me go. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
One yoku ka na-eme. O metara buru? Ada agbaka ele nwata eze. Ona ikuku ka o si abịa. Onye mere nwaanyị anyị a? Ka ebe o si? Onye si ọ bụrụ ya eme nni. Ọ chụọ ọkụkọ nwa ada, nwa ọkụkọ nwekwa nwa ọsọ. Gwanụ m okwu.
Ezedibia, what is wrong with my wife? Will she be alright? Please, I don't want my wife to die.
Shh. I want you all to leave me. Go. Go. Leave this place right now. Ọchụ ọkụkọ nwekwa n'ada, ọkụkọ nwe ọsọ. Ma akwụkwọ ndị ezumezu, ụmụ ada, ndị ichie.
Please tell me, is my wife going to be alright?
Ifunanya is going to be fine.
Oh, thanks to the gods.
But for a short time.
What do you mean a short time, Ezedibia? Eh?
She was bitten by a very poisonous and deadly snake in the bush.
A poisonous snake? How?
Very deadly one at that.
But it was Ifunanya, my sister, and Obioso that went to the farm. And as a matter of fact, it is not even a forest. It is not a forest. And I've not known Obiagu to harbor a poisonous snakes.
And I couldn't trace the poison anywhere in her body. And this is strange, I must say. In all my days as a seer and as a dibia, I have never experienced such a strange thing.
Ezedibia, what are you saying? Eh? It is your duty to find the poison in her body. You can't tell me in your experience as a healer you've not experienced such thing. It is your duty, please. I can't allow my wife to die.
The poison deposited in your wife has been hidden in her body by the gods. Be warned.
Ezedibia! If Ezedibia could not do anything, what am I going to do? Ebuka, what am I going to do?
Ebuka, everything will be fine.
Everything is not fine. Everything is not going to be fine.
What did the healer say? Come, let me show you where it happened. Let me show you. Let's go.
I am sorry for everything. Ifnaya, I'm sorry that I left you all this while. Ifnaya, everything I did, everything, I still lost her. Ifnaya, I lost my mother. Ifnaya, we buried my mother yesterday. And I came back. And I was told you were at Ebuka's hut. Ifnaya, what are you doing here? Ifnaya, what are you doing? Ifnaya, you are pregnant. Ifnaya, you are pregnant. How can you be pregnant when I'm not here? Ifnaya, you are pregnant for another man. Ifnaya, you promised me. Ifnaya, we promised each other that we will be for each other. Ifnaya, you betrayed me. Ifnaya, you betrayed me.
Obinna, I made a promise to you, the same way you made a promise to me. And yes, I failed to keep my promise to you. But the same way you failed to keep your promise to me. Obinna, for so long you were gone. For so long I waited for you, I waited. But you were never there for me.
Maya, my mother was sick. Ifnaya, my mother was sick. And I went to save her. I lost her. I lost my mother. If I only for me to return and you are pregnant for another man. Ifnaya.
I am sorry.
What is this?
Obinna, I am sorry. I tried my best. I waited for you. The gods know I waited for you, Obinna. I waited for you, but you were gone for so long. You were gone for so long. There was nothing I could do. I am sorry. I am sorry. Obinna, I am sorry.
I lost my mother.
That is Ifnaya's voice.
And the other voice is too mature and manly to be the voice of Obiozo.
I thought Ifnaya was sleeping.
Maybe she might be woken up because of the strange voice. And who could that be? Obinna, I'm sorry. Obinna, I'm sorry. Obinna, wait, I'm sorry, please. I am sorry. Obinna, wait, please, I'm sorry.
Obinna! Obinna, you're not supposed to be here.
Ebuka, why Ifnaya? Among all the maidens in Obiago village, why Ifnaya? Ebuka, why Ifnaya? Among all the maidens in Obiago village, you chose Ifnaya. The only woman that I love. The only remaining woman in my life. Why, Ebuka?
Can you hear yourself speak? You claim you love her. You want me to believe that you love Ifnaya. Where were you? I'm asking you. You left her and ran away. Where were you when Ifnaya needed you the most? I'm asking you. You left her. She was in pains. She was in tears. I watched her cry all day. You eloped. You are nowhere to be found. Yet you are seated here telling me you love her.
So, Ebuka, you capitalized on my absence to take away my woman. You made her hate me. You made her throw away all the things we shared. Ebuka, it is only the gods. It is only the gods that will stop me from killing you today. Ebuka, you are dead!
Listen, let me tell you. You can't do anything. Do you hear me? She stopped loving you the moment you left her and ran away. Do you understand? Do you hear me? You coward!
Stop it! You're not one of you! I said stop it! Stop fighting or I'll kill myself right now!
Please, Ifeanyi, go. Ifeanyi, please.
Obinna, leave! Obinna, leave! Right now! Leave! Obinna, leave or I'll kill myself!
You better leave!
What is wrong with you?
Please.
Leave! She says leave!
Please bring the machete down.
Please, my love. Please, just give me the machete, okay? I'm begging you, please. Alright? He's gone already, please. Please. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying, okay? It's okay. Come on, it's okay. Wipe it.
Okay. I feel like a betrayer. Maybe I should have waited for him just a little bit longer.
You did nothing wrong. He left you and never came back. Ifunanya, you have found a man who does not just love you, but he pours out all just to see you satisfied. Do not allow self-guilt and condemnation creep in now. You are a good maiden and you deserve better.
Would you?
I should leave the both of you now.
Oju, no, please. Please stay.
Let me go back to what I was doing before. Your husband will take care of you. Oh? Please take care of her.
Thank you so much, Uju. My love, I know you must be hungry. I made your favorite hot soup. I made it with my early morning catch. Alright?
I am sorry I brought this upon you. I am so sorry.
Listen, Ifunanya. You've done nothing wrong. You don't need to be sorry. As a matter of fact, I have been praying. I prayed to the gods of our land to give me a woman, a maiden in whom I will find true love. The woman after my heart. The woman I will spend the rest of my life with. And the moment you came my way, I was certain that the gods have answered my prayers. So you don't need to be sorry. Listen, very soon our baby will come. You give birth to her or him, okay? And we will live as one happy family.
My love, thank you so much for believing in me.
You're welcome, okay? Come on, smile for me, alright? You look beautiful when you smile. And please do not stop smiling, okay? Alright, let's go so that you eat your food. It's getting cold.
Obinna, I really wanted to tell you what is going on here in Obiago. But I couldn't. You know, I saw the pain and agony in Ifunanya. I saw what your absence cost that young maiden. You know, that girl tried waiting for you, but to no avail. She keep on thinking that one day you will come back as you promised, but to no avail. That maiden really tried. She tried.
Omalense. Omalense. Ifunanya. Myself. We're the talk of this village. Every young man and maiden wished they were like us. They wished every young man and maiden, they all wished they were like us. They wished they were like us. They wanted to be like us. They always pray to be like us. To love pets. To love pets.
Obinna is okay. It's okay. We also how that maiden tried waiting for you. It's okay. It's okay.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Because my mouth is so small.
Go, look at what you mean.
Stop it! I can actually find something bigger. Really? You want to take it? Let's risk it. Stop it! I don't like you. You're mocking me.
I'm sorry.
Let me prove you wrong.
Okay.
Obinna, stop it! Don't give it to me! See, if I don't eat this, you won't eat it. None of us is going to eat it.
No, wait. Okay, let me just feed you. Okay?
I like his weight.
Alright.
You think it's funny?
Okay, I'm sorry.
But I love it when you laugh.
Really?
You're so funny.
Oh my gosh.
Are you blushing? No, what's that?
Look how you do your head.
Please, I don't want
Not so pretty.
I don't want this anymore.
If
Tell me something nice. Then maybe I'll
I love you. I love you. Okay. You know Aningile River?
Yes.
You know the length of Aningile River?
Yeah.
That is how much I love you.
I love you too. So much. And I want you to know that I'll do anything for you. I want this to be forever.
It will. It will, man.
Do you promise me that?
No, I promise you. I promise you.
Okay, tell me. So if I wasn't born, would you still love me?
Well, see what I'll do. I'll just go to your mother and father and I'll ask them, why haven't you given me my heartthrob? They should provide my heartthrob for me.
Okay, that's a good answer.
They should. Greetings, Mama.
Must he do everything for you?
Mama, I did not ask him to do it, so I told him not to, but he won't listen.
Because he made him to do so.
She didn't ask me to do everything for her. Nick, you know she is my heartthrob, and I love her so much.
Oh, you people remind me of my late husband. He was so loving, caring, with a soft word. They can do anything to please me, your father.
I see you miss him a lot.
I do, I miss him so much. Anyway, this is your time. Enjoy yourself. If not, let's I forget. I prepared a porridge cocoyam with the otaze. Na nkuno na po sentile wo nchao. And all the talk. Obazie no ka onwe ike we serve onya. Orie ndi. Mara mi fonu na emu kwa na asa na eme love.
Okay, Mama.
How did she know that food is my favorite?
Stop it.
Oh.
You know, my mother fantasizes about my father all the time.
I know she misses him.
Yes, and I do too. You know, I didn't get a chance to meet my father. I didn't even get a chance to spend time with him.
Ify, I am sorry that I unhealed the healed wounds with my words. I'm so sorry about this, okay? But not to worry. I am here for you.
Thank you. But nobody can replace my father in my heart.
Ifunanya, that is not what I mean. I know I can never replace your father. Ifunanya, what I want is each time you look at me, you see your father in me. See, I know our words, we might not have plenty in wealth and in riches, but I pray our words will be filled with love, care, and laughter. And I pray to Chukukike to bless our word with let it be a word without end.
So shall it be.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
I can perceive the scent of my lover, even when my eyes are shut.
Obinna.
And that is why my heart cannot stop beating for you, even when my eyes are shut to death.
Obinna, if I could go back in time, I am most certain that I will find the fade parts my mother owed so dearly to our hearts.
And what truth are you talking about?
Obinna, the cadence of your voice holds true the image my mother makes in my heart every moment she speaks of my father. Obinna, you mirror how he loved and cared for her.
You're making me to blush. Flyer, it's middle of the day, and your mother will be wondering where you at.
Don't worry. I was with her all day before the resonance of your voice put me away from her.
Ah! Ify.
What is it?
Ify.
Yeah?
I got a great catch today.
You did?
Yes. Do you mind coming with me?
Of course. Let's go. What?
Your mother. She was like your mother. She was skin was alive.
As long as you are with Obinna, then I have nothing to fear.
I know that lines. I know that lines. Says your mother.
Says the one you just said was skin me alive. Let's go.
Can you?
Come on, let's go.
If you look at you.
Where is this girl? Where is Ifunanya? Ifunanya. Who did the mother not out? Ifunanya. Aigbefoh. Who down there? Eh? Ifunanya.
Mama.
Ifunanya. Where went you? Just vanished from the farm. Eh? What is your problem, this girl?
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You are sorry. Where do you go?
Greetings.
Hey, greetings, Obinna. Where were you?
Yes.
Was she with you?
She was with me while I was.
We're paying this for
Oh yes. This is for you.
Hey,
Yes.
bushmeat.
Yes.
Hey, what?
This is special.
Hey,
Just for
this
you.
is beautiful. A beautiful bushmeat. We'll make a nice soup with this one today. Hey, Aigbefoh.
Mama.
Oh yeah, go and roast it. As you roast it, you share it, divide it into two. Eh? For another Ekede. Obinna, you just sit down. Let's make the food. I will cook it by myself so that you enjoy with us.
Okay.
Huh?
Thank you very much. You know the night is coming. I beg you, let me go. We'll do it some other time. Don't never.
Did you go biggie? If I go and roast it, let me be at my hut now.
Thank you, okay?
Greetings.
Greetings. Do you seek for someone?
Yes, I found the one whom I seek.
And who is this person that you seek?
I found the one whom I seek. His name is Obinna Achebe, the son of Adadema Mesoma.
Hello. You know you have been asking me about my parents. And each time you ask me about them, I give you deaf ears.
Yes.
My father died. And when my father died, my mother was accused of killing her. Obiago conspired and threw her into an irrevocable exile.
Gods of our ancestors.
A strange man came to me yesterday and told me, he told me that my mother is sick and dying, that my attention is needed there.
So what are we going to do now?
I have to go to Obinna to see my mother.
My love, Obinna is a long distance from Obiago. It will take days to come see you.
Yes. And it is riskier for a woman to come that distance. But not to worry. I will go and I will return. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to your hands.
Obinna, how will I cope? How will my heart be able to move on without you by my side? Please, my love, I will be a shadow of myself without you. Obinna, take me with you, please.
No, my love, no. No. That will be causing a war between Obinna and Obiago. And I wouldn't want that to happen to us. Please, my love. Pico, I will always return in your arms. I will come back for you. Okay?
And I promise to wait for you. I will wait for you, Obinna.
I intended coming to see you in your hut today.
No, don't worry. I will stay with you. Tonight, I want to be with you before you leave tomorrow.
Won't Ne be angry?
No. I told her I was coming to see you.
Yes, you told her, but you didn't tell her you were sleeping over.
Obinna, that should not bother you at all. I want it to be just the both of us tonight. Please.
I love you.
I love you.
Omalinze. Omalinze.
Obinna.
That was the last time I set my eyes on Ifunanya.
This is too bad. Obinna, this is strange. This is strange. Let's change the topic. No, talking about this makes me feel somehow. Let's just change the topic, okay? Let's change the topic.
That night, I felt the kind of feeling which description is beyond words. I was guaranteed that the invisible part of him in my heart would become visible anytime I thought of him.
You must have really loved him.
But Joe, I did. Obinna was my everything. I did.
If you really love him, how did such work collapse for my brother Ebuka?
I hated the thought of ever having anything to do with any other man, hoping that Obinna would return. But as days went by and nights became day, moon after moon, the image of him in my heart began to wane, and it created this incurable sadness in me. What followed was an incurable sadness every day.
Nai. Hey. Ifunanya, I noticed that for some days now, you've not been eating food in this house. Do you want to starve yourself to death?
Mother, my life has...
It's been several months and Obinna is yet to return. Mother, I don't know what to do. My heart is breaking.
I know how you feel, my daughter. But listen to the heart of your heart. Your heart will not lead you wrong. Listen to the heart of your heart. What your heart tells you to do, you do it, my daughter.
Mother, when Obinna left, he took my heart with him. He left with it. Mother, without Obinna here, I don't know. Mother, when is he coming back?
Don't cry, don't cry.
Who are you?
My name is Ebuka. My name is Ebuka. I have been watching you cry all day. I watched you yesterday cry your way to the stream and back. Whoever it is that makes you cry must be someone whom you truly miss. I am very much sure that they held the fibers of your heart. Forgive me if I've said something wrong. As I watch tears run down your face, my heart is filled with guilt and concern for you. I wish I would know that which makes you cry, or whoever it is that makes you cry, so that I will bring it back to you.
There is nothing you can do for me.
Who's asking you?
My mother, I don't know what is wrong
with her.
She's not responding. Where is there?
Oh my goodness. Ifunanya, how is Mama?
She's still like this, but it's a little better.
Don't worry, she'll be fine, okay? Please, watch this, huh? You split it properly and give it to her. I am sure that before sunset she'll be fine. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, my son. It's like you know much about herbs.
Yes, Mama. My mother is a healer and she teaches me a lot about herbs.
Really? Are you from this community?
Yes, I'm from this village.
Yes, Mama. He's the man I told you about.
Indeed. Major has brought you together.
Yes, Mama. He's a kind man.
Thank you, my son. Efron,
Mama.
go and see him off. Come back quick.
Okay. I won't stay long. Ebuka,
Yes.
thank you so much for coming through for my mother.
Come on, Ifunanya. You don't need to thank me. I am glad I could help.
I know you must be wondering why you always saw me crying.
I think I know now. But not to worry. Your mother will be fine. As long as she continues taking the help. Okay? But do not hesitate to let me know when she runs out of it.
I just want to say that I really, really appreciate what you just did for my mother. It means so, so much to us.
You're welcome.
But my mother is not the reason why you always saw me crying.
She's not?
No, she's
So,
not.
I guess you lost someone.
Yes. The man I love. He's not dead though. He's still alive. But he traveled. He traveled to Obinna to be with his sick mother.
Obinna?
Yeah.
That is far. I mean, very far. I thought Umagu and Obinna had nothing to do in common.
Yes, they don't. But his mother was sent on an exile some years back.
Oh.
And since then, she has been there. And that was how she fell sick.
I understand. I guess you miss him so much.
Yes, I do. I mean, it was my everything.
It's alright. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? I must be on my way now.
Yeah.
So, make sure you take good care of your mother. Like I said, do not hesitate to let me know when she runs out of the help.
Okay. Okay.
Make sure you take good care of your mother,
I
right?
will. Of course. Thank you.
Alright.
In life, the gods know the fate of every one of us. And at the appointed, we all will walk into that which the gods has appointed.
Uju, what has the gods got to do with this?
The same gods who made the beginning of every man and also the end of them. If she will be your wife, your chi will orchestrate your paths and destinies to meet.
Ifunanya.
Greetings, my dear.
Greetings.
You're welcome, please. Let's come and sit.
You look so beautiful and charming, as I was told. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ifunanya, here's my sister.
Yeah, I see the resemblance.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me leave the both of you.
Okay. Alright.
You're welcome.
But thank you.
Your sister is so beautiful.
Yeah, she is. But you are beautiful too.
You know, when Obinna left some days ago, I thought I could never smile again. But then you came along and everything seemed so new again.
I'm glad I was able to help. But I respect how you feel about him. Okay, I really respect how you feel about him. And I'll never want to take his place unless you want me to.
He is the only one that I love. And I know you will surely return, just as promised.
Certainly.
But for now, I will only look close to you as a friend, as someone that I can talk to, because you healed my mother and you brought her back to life.
Ifunanya, I am glad I was able to help. I mean, Mama is fine now. But all the same, all thanks to the gods. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Greetings.
Greetings. You look especially beautiful today.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is Ebuka?
He went for fishing. I know he will be back soon.
Oh, okay. I see you are going to the market.
Yes, I want to get some food items.
All right, I will accompany you.
Okay, let's go.
My daughter. That boy, Ebuka, is a good man. But I don't know, this year waiting for your endless love. Eh? I don't know.
Mama, you used to love Obinna. What has changed?
Nothing has changed, you. I still love Obinna. Just that the bet at hand, worth million than the millions you see flying up. Eh? Who knows, as he traveled, maybe he has find some love in their village.
Mama, that's not possible. No. Obinna promised me his heart before he left. He cannot break his promise to me, no. Yes, Mama.
Last time I remember, I told you to search your heart, whatever your heart tells you. You reply me that when Obinna traveled, that he traveled with your heart. Which heart again now you referring?
Mama, I don't know what you're talking about and you're confusing me. Is this a parable or a word of advice?
Oh, it's a parable and it's a word of advice. You dig between the best at hand, and the ones flying up. Oh, it's nothing for me again than to give you a word of advice as a mother.
Before my mother died, she told me that the future she saw was built around Ebuka and not Obinna. In fact, those were her last words before she breathed her last.
You know I always loved you. And I've always wanted you to be a part of this family. When you accepted to marry Ebuka, that dream came true. The son will look so much like him.
A son?
It's going to be a boy.
Well, if it is a boy, I'll be glad. And truly, I know he's going to look like him too. And it will always remind me of him, even though he's no longer here.
What do you mean? Is Ebuka going anywhere?
Uju, it is a secret that is bound by love. And that love is stronger than blood.
What secret are you talking about, Ifunanya? Wait, does this pregnancy belong to Obinna?
Thank the gods I found you. Okay, so what is it? Your wife. Okay. She's having a baby now. Your baby.
Where is she?
She's in the hut. Are you serious? Yes, let's go.
Don't! Do not dare go to see my child.
Obinna, you are not supposed to be here. What are you doing here, Obinna?
I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I am here for my child. Where is my child?
Obinna, leave. Leave this minute, please. Leave here right now.
I can leave. I will leave, but not without my child.
The child is not yours. The child belongs to my brother. Yes.
Look at you, Ochakomaka. Look at you. I am not here to banter words with you, Rifrat. Now listen. I overheard Ifunanya telling Uju, your sister, that the night I left, I deposited her with my seed.
Liar! Liar! Yes. You are a liar! You are lying! Leave here this minute, Obinna! Leave here!
I can't. Not without my child! I can't live here! No!
I said leave this minute! Leave our compound.
Ebuka, I told you I can never live here without my child! Where is the...
She said so. The child belongs to Obinna.
What?
He is the father of the child.
Oh, may the gods bless you. May the gods bless you. Did you hear that? Did you? No, so please, Pico, where is my child?
The mother of the child is with the ancestors.
No! What happened to Ifunanya? No! Ifunanya!
Where is my child? Not so fast! Not so fast. I'm aware that she's dead. Oh.
What?
The gods told it to me on my way here. And it was destined. And it was destined that both of you will be together. But according to the tradition of our land, anyone who gives the blood of another to another man has committed a sacrilege, which is what Ifunanya did. Ezemo, thank you! Ezemo, indeed, you are the eyes of the gods. May the gods bless you for this. Let's go.
You are amused at this situation? Instead of you to be crying, you are laughing? The mother of your child is dead and you are happy.
She deserves to die! Oh yes, she deserves to die. Why she was busy spreading her legs with my child to another man? What does she want? She wants death, and that is the wrath of the gods. Yes, she deserves to die. Let's go. Oh no! According to our tradition, that child belongs to Ebuka.
Yes.
He paid her dowries, married her traditionally, according to our own tradition. Obinna, you have no right over that child.
Yes.
You are warned.
Yes. Yes. It's your child. Yes. It's your child. Let's go and see.